Derek with Eliminex. We're here in Monmouth County, New Jersey. I primarily prefer Middlesex County, Somerset County, Monmouth County. But we go to Mercer and Union and a little further down. I don't really care for Essex and Bergen for bed bugs too much because parking. I think it's just the parking up there. It's really I'd rather go longer distance South Jersey than go half the distance North Jersey just because of parking and then the traffic. Say if someone called me for a 3:30, 5 o'clock inspection, forget about it. I'm not going. I mean, we don't have like any routes up there, so if someone calls me out for something, I'd have to make a special trip. So it'd have to be early in the morning or on the weekends, because going up that far up. Some people do search me out for my expertise and referrals. We go to Upper Saddle River in some certain cases, but I prefer to do it like very early in the morning if I had nothing to do except make calls and prospect. But if we have ongoing projects and other things happening, we do wildlife projects and stuff like that. I prefer weekends or early morning. Or in some instances, I'll go late. I'll go after 7. If it's like, some sorts of situations. Some kind of forms of consultation. If they do not hire us on the spot, they have agreed to pay us a consultation fee, inspection fee in these circumstances. So, a full bed bug inspection will be like $175 versus maybe a one-room inspection, just come take a look kind of inspection, $95. That would be if it doesn't fit in our local, our main local area. And it's worth it, because if you just get the first person that comes out, you're going to hire them, they're just going to, you don't know if you're getting a good deal. But here's a bed bug. I disturbed it. Oh, it's gone. Oh, wow, it's gone. I was going to show you. Here's my other video. Let's see if it's hiding. He found another place. Wonder where he went. I was going to make another video to show this one bed bug. And it ran off. It's still here. Let's see if I can uncover it. Wow. I made sure that stayed in place while I finished my video, and it went and hid. It's in there somewhere. It's a really good specimen. The only live specimen at this point. Let's see if I can uncover it through an inspection. Little bugger. Where'd you go? He was right here. Hiding right there. Now he's gone. Let's see if I can pop this up. Let's see where he went. He's hiding. Ah, boy. Let's see where he went. I'm curious. Wow, he disappeared. That he will be dead after I do this treatment. He can't hide from me. See the fecal matter here? So it could just be a few. And they're hiding really deep. But I'm going to get them. That's a dead bed bug from something that they did. Fascinating. How it can just run away like that. I should have grabbed it. There it is. Wow. Isn't that amazing? It's pretty damn amazing.